Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm here to share just a small thrift haul, which my friend Sue and I went out to get my free birthday breakfast on Monday morning because the place is not open on Sunday, which was my birthday. Sunday was my birthday, the 5th. But so we went on the 6th, and as long as I showed ID, I got my free. I could have had breakfast, lunch, or dinner, but we like to go to breakfast. And then it's like, it's called Shady Maple Smorgasbord. So they have a smorgasbord. They also have like an omelet bar and a pancake and waffle bar where they actually make them right there. And yeah, so we had a wonderful breakfast. And then in that area, there are actually two Goodwills, which we didn't go to, but there's a thrift store called Lucky Dog, which we have never been able to find before. Well, they just moved into this new place, which is on our way back from the smorgasbord. Yay! And then there's another one called the Reuse It Shop, and we have gone to that before, so we went there. And then we went to a place called B&B, which is Bumps and Bruises, which is a discount grocery store. I'm not going to share that stuff with you. I spent $28 there, I think, and I got 3 reusable grocery bag things full of food. Yeah. So anyway, and I tried to be really good, and some of it is like frozen. So I got a puzzle. I just thought this was gorgeous. It's a 750 piece puzzle called Little Feathered Friends, and it's a different shape, and I think these are chickadees if I'm not mistaken, but don't hold me to that. And it says original artwork by Russell Cobain with several special shaped puzzle pieces. Apparently they're shaped like birds and flowers and things, so I'm looking forward to doing that. Yeah, my son and I like to do puzzles, and we haven't done any for a while. So then everything I got was a total of $5. So I think these were 3 for $1. I'm pretty sure. And these were 3 for $1, which actually ended up being too much because I went to a different shop. Not much had prices on it. This I got for 50 cents, which was a Christmas ribbon, which I thought was pretty. They had some other ones, but I liked this one with the gold and the blue on it. Sorry about the shadows. I turned the light off so I wouldn't get shadows on or glare on the other way. And then I got this and these. Now I don't remember exactly how much these all are. I think what she did is she said, okay, these were $1. The puzzle was $1.50, so that was $2.50. This would have been $3.50, and then I think this brought it up to $2.50. So here's the 50, and then these were she gave them to me for I guess $2. So yeah, I think it was 1, 2, and then this was 3 actually, and then for, I don't know, maybe she gave me these cheaper than than $1. So anyway, everything including the puzzle was $5 because I only had $4 cash on me, and I had to borrow $1 from my friend Sue, who was kind enough to do that. So yeah, that was the first store of crafty goodness, which I thought was a good deal. And then the Reuse It store. Well, and then first of all, when we came out of the smorgasbord, it's like a complex. They have the smorgasbord building, then they have a grocery store called Shady Maple Market, which also has a little diner in it and stuff. And then right across from that is a store called Goods, which is like a Mennonite version of Kmart or Walmart or something. Okay, and look at this free catalog I got at checkout. I mean calendar. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that gazebo. And this is what I want my yard to look like. All flowers, but I don't have the trees, unfortunately. Oh, yeah. Hast thou entered into the treasures of the snow? Not yet, but later today we are supposed to get snow. Yes, right in time for a viewing I have to go to. We're supposed to get up to 3 inches, which is not bad, but it's supposed to start at 5 p.m. and the viewing starts at 6, so yeah. Ugh. Anyway, and everything here is hills up to get up or down from our house, so it's like that all around here. And then actually in the back it has coupons: January, May, August, and November. Different coupons. Oh look, 25% off puzzles in January. Oh shoot, if I'd have known that, I would have maybe partaken of their puzzles too. But they had some beautiful puzzles at that store, but they were a little expensive. Okay, so the Reuse It shop. This was a little pricier than I wanted to pay, but I could not pass this puzzle up, called Catology by Hemingway. And it's a 1,000-piece puzzle. But oh my gosh, I could not pass this kitty up, and the scene is just gorgeous. I love it. It was $4, and I was like, I don't know. I don't know. It says bonus puzzle included in free app. Well, yeah, I won't be getting that, but it's 25 inch by 25 inch. Age 13 plus. Yeah, this is going to be a little bit of a tough one. So I think we'll start with the easier one first, and yeah. And then we'll do this one. I have an antique table that my dad had gotten from a place a house he had worked at, and a long time ago. Anyway, it opens up. It's a game table, so I can store the unused pieces yet inside the table, and then have the part that's put together on top. Okay, so then I got 3 embroidery hoops, because this is something I didn't have. I used to, and I had given them all away. Shame on me. But now there's a big thing for doing embroidery hoops. This one is like a picture frame. It was only 50 cents. This one is a wooden one, and it was 75 cents. And this blue one is a plastic one, and it was $1. So they had some more that were really big, and I didn't get those. I thought this was enough for me to try to play with, to make, you know, pieces like people are altering. So I'll give that a go sometime. And then they had these eyelash trims, and I don't have these colors, so I of course had to get them. They're like pink and blue for baby, right? They appear to be new-ish, except that this one, the wrapper's out of, and these were $1 each, and they were from Big Lots, and the price was $1 each. So I thought, see, and they left it at that price. So that wasn't really a great bargain, but I got them because I don't have these colors, and I especially wanted the pink, but I like blue as well, so I got both of them. And then I got these little bins, 75 cents for 3. These are like the Dollar Tree ones, and but they're usually $1 each, so here I got 75 cents for 3, which I can always use. And then I got this lace for 50. It's like a lace trim for 50 cents. Now this I thought was a good deal, and it's this pattern here. It's like a cream or pale yellow. But yeah, it's got flowers, and this could almost be like a butterfly if you cut it out and put it on something, right? Flowers and butterflies, so pretty. So that was, what'd I say, 50 cents. And let me see, it seems like I'm missing something. Yeah, okay, one more thing. And that would be, oh, I had a whole box. Oh, I have to go downstairs. I'll pause and get it. I knew I was missing something. So this was 45 cents, and it's the pearl string. I think it's 4mm pearl string. It's by Nicole, so this was an AC Moore thing. I'm gonna miss AC Moore, honestly, but yeah. So I thought I could use that for trim. There's 5 yards, and it appears to be unopened. It's still taped and everything, so I got that. And I'll be right back. There's something else I want to show, but it's downstairs. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. I forgot to show you this. These are some coasters. I actually got these at the goods store near the Smorgasbord, and they're cat coasters, black cats. I couldn't pass them up. I don't need coasters, but I really like these. So I think I'm going to change out my coasters. And these were on clearance originally. I don't know. This says $11.49. Somewhere I had seen $19.99 or something, but they were $6.99 on sale. Black Star coasters with basket weave. So I got those because, you know, I'm a cat person. And then back to the thrift store. Now I think I already have one of these, heavy glass or lead crystal. It holds a votive candle. But if I do, it's going to be a pair now. It's a little sleeping cat all curled up. See? Really heavy and nice. And then I also got 4 of these. And I see, it's a little scratch. But I have, when I reorganize this craft room, I have one shelf. And I have it full of like those tool bins like you put in your basement. And I think I'm going to take them off and do something different with those. And put some pretty things up on that shelf, like things you guys have made me. And I know I made a can to put my buttons in, but I think I'm going to use that for something else. And I think I'm going to color, like I have 4 of these now, so I'm going to put like pinks, reds, blues, greens, or blues and purples, greens and yellows, that kind of thing, and then a neutral. I think that's what I'm going to do for buttons, and separate them that way, and just have these pretty buttons displayed on a shelf. Now they are glass, so I'm going to have to be careful I don't break them, but they were $1 a piece, which I thought, yeah, it was a little high, but they're nice quality. They have the suction cup lid. They had them in like a kitchen area, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and get them, and since they had 4, and that's what I'm going to use them for. And then my button can that I had made on a Crafting with Friends with Kathy and Tina a while back, I'm going to use for, I just watched a video from Jen Evers, and it's like a 2020 positivity thing where once a week you jot down on some paper things that were positive that occurred during that week, because you know sometimes you have really bad weeks and you really have to stretch to find something. And if you can't find something, then you're supposed to write down something that you're thankful that you do have, like a roof over your head, or food in the refrigerator, or whatever, you know, clothes on your back, that kind of thing, family, whatever it is. So yeah, that's my thrift store finds. I spent a total of $23.91 thrifting, and then these were $7. The only thing I got at the goods store that's like a Walmart or Kmart is these and a bottle of antifreeze, because my car is saying that my coolant is low, which is the first time that's ever happened, and I need to put the coolant in today because we're gonna have snow tonight, and I couldn't put it in yesterday because the car was hot. You're supposed to wait till it cools. Anyway, that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. We had fun. It's always fun shopping, and we usually also go to Goodwill's. There's 2 of them up there, but we decided not to, and we were still gone. I didn't get home till 2:30, and we met at 8:30. So it was a nice day, and it was a sunny, partly cloudy, partly sunny day, so that worked out beautifully. All right, guys, have a great this will be Wednesday when I put this up. Have a great Wednesday and rest of your week, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hey guys, I forgot to show you something I got from the Reuse It shop. I had gotten another hem facing. It says white, but it looks more cream to me, so it might be it might be vintage. I don't know if it has a year on here. Oh yeah, 1969. This is vintage white hem facing, which has the floral pattern on it, like I got at the other thrift store, 3 for $1, but this was only 25 cents, which is obviously cheaper, but it was the only one they had. And then I also got these. These were 25 cents too. Now these are for quilting, I'm told, but I thought these would be really pretty on embellishments. Let me show you what they are. they're fabric with cardboard pieces for paper. Hang on. Oh, and they're numbered even. Oops, we have a staple. I don't want that to go flying. So this is fabric, right? And it's over the paper, and then I guess and it's stitched on. You could just go like that. I might make prettier stitching on them, and then I could put them on a card or a ATC, or look at all these hexagons. So cool. And they're all numbered. Well, they all have a slash on them. I guess that's what it is. I don't know why they're like that, because I don't quilt. So if anybody wants to tell me, feel free. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 already stitched hexagons, and then I got a little piece of fabric that I guess would be to make more. But I also think I could cover these. These are pretty thin paper, but maybe I could glue a couple together, or you know, glue a couple and back them. I don't know, or trace around them, cut some paper out, and then back them on something heavier. Or I think I'd probably just glue a couple together, like maybe 3, to make them thick, and then have some other paper on top and make them be the embellishment, right? Maybe some winter paper or fabric again. So I thought that was kind of cool. I actually had to ask my friend Sue, what are these? And she said they're pieces for quilting. I'm like, oh, well, I'm going to get them for 25 cents, but I'm going to use them in paper crafting. So I thought those were cool. I guess maybe somebody had done a winter or frozen theme thing, and yeah, I don't know, but I just really thought that was cool. So I didn't get that many finished ones, but I don't really need that many finished ones, right? So now I have some fabric hexagons that are winter based, and I sort of am doing a little bit of winter right now. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Yeah, cool. I had never seen that before, especially small, because I think quilting bigger, but I guess they piece it together to make the actual quilt block or something. I don't know. You quilters tell me, how does this work normally? Because I don't quilt, and I will not be taking up another hobby, guys. I have enough hobbies. So I just wanted to come back on and share that with you too. I had forgotten to show that to you. It was off to my right here, and not with the other stuff. So yeah, I am finished now. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.